Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm that now serves most of Florida, Georgia, and things like that. Let's get into it. Question 20. Woo! Big question. This was actually a trick question. That was a fun question that I created for my initial video, which was, what was the top 15 ALJ trick questions, which then kind of snickered into 20 questions. The question is, I'm homeless and I live on a boat, and I'm claiming disability benefits. So what is the judge going to ask about? Okay, let's talk about that. You live on a boat. First question that's going to come out about this trick question is, are you moored somewhere? Which means like you're not on a dock, so you have to take a smaller boat to get to the bigger, is it a situation where you're able to pull up your anchor, or do you have an automatic anchor? What happens if your anchor breaks? What happens if the automatic winching device breaks? Is it a situation where, you basically have all the regular amenities on this boat? How do you get on and off it? Do you have some sort of plank? Do you have a walkway? Or do you just jump right down with those weight-bearing hip issues that you have? Other issues that you have to go into is when you're getting into a small dinghy to go ahead and travel to a different location, right? So I'm getting into this tinier boat to this smaller boat, rather, to go ahead and travel from point A to point B because I can't take my bigger boat. How do you get in and out of that, right? Right? Okay, so that's another thing. How do you get water to your big boat? Fresh water. How do you get fuel, fresh fuel, to your big boat? How do you carry it, right? 5-gallon jug? Huh? Can you carry a 5-gallon jug? How much does a 5-gallon jug weigh? Whoa. Gallon of milk's about 8 or 9 pounds. Multiply that. Whoa, that's some weight right there. So that's a trick question, a fun question. Layla's joining me now because she wants to go outside. Hi. I love you. You know kids. Okay, sweetie. Okay. All right. We have reached question 20. We're now going to take an intermission, and we're going to go outside for a pee break. I know, sweeties. Sweetie, don't break everything. Don't ruin everything. You always ruin everything. I'll catch up with you guys for question 21. That's all new territory, and then we will go from there. Also, remember, at 8 p.m. on the 9th of April. I know, we'll go shortly. I'll be doing live questions with you guys as if I were the judge asking you questions at an administrative hearing. Yeah, we're going out shortly. You can call me on the 407-279-1754 phone number, which is on the video somewhere. And then from there, we'll run questions, okay? All right. We're going now, baby Douglas. Okay, don't jump up here. Have a wonderful day. I'll catch you guys later. Bye-bye. Yeah, I know. We go outside.